Windows 10 PowerToys, a cheat sheet. No matter how many features Microsoft crams into its Windows 10 operating system, there will always be users looking for a faster, better, or at the very least, different way of doing things. The iteration of an operating system, no matter how well it works, is just part of human nature and it cannot be suppressed. So, why not embrace it? Microsoft's acknowledgement of this force of human nature is the Windows 10 PowerToys download. A set of slightly unusual free Windows tools has been a part of the Windows operating system landscape since Windows 95. But their availability has been noticeably absent for Windows 10, at least until September 2019. In 2019, Microsoft, in partnership with development company Jania Systems, released the first two PowerToys for Windows 10, accompanied by a promise of more releases in the near future. This TechRepublic cheat sheet describes each available tool or feature provided by Microsoft's official Windows 10 PowerToys. Note, this article is also available as a download cheat sheet, Windows 10 PowerToys, free PDF. The first set of Windows PowerToys were made available for Windows 95. That first set of 15 free utilities were published and endorsed by Microsoft and made available in a free download. From the beginning, PowerToys were designed to be used by power users, seeking ways to tweak the way the operating system functions. In some cases, a careless change made using a PowerToys utility by an inexperienced user could cause havoc with the Windows operating system. So novice users were encouraged to use caution. For the most part, though, PowerToys would allow users, whether they considered themselves power or not, to more easily make tweaks to the look and feel of Windows without a deep dive into configuration screens or the dreaded and dangerous edit of the Windows Registry file. Windows 95 PowerToys included. Through the years and the various Windows versions, individual PowerToys have come and gone. Each new Windows version inspired a new set of tools based on what developers perceived was needed to improve and enhance that version. Windows 10 has inspired a completely new set of PowerToys. Traditionally, each PowerToy has been offered as a separate executable file, available as a free download from a specific Microsoft website. For Windows 10, Microsoft is taking a slightly different approach. All Windows 10 PowerToys are now included as part of a free downloadable system that users can configure. Figure shows you what the Windows 10 PowerToys system looks like. Windows 10 PowerToys version 0.20.0 is available on GitHub right now. Release v 0.20.0 adds a color picker to the list of PowerToys utilities. This app allows users to pick a color from the screen and save it to the Windows 10 clipboard. Fancy Zones allows users to manage where and how each separate application window open on a Windows 10 desktop will display. For example, you could use Fancy Zones to set up a Windows 10 desktop where Outlook always displays on the right-hand side of the desktop. Twitter or other social media always displays on the left-hand side of the desktop. And Word or Excel always displays in the middle between the other two. There would be 3 distinct and perpetual zones displayed at all times. Figure B shows how you select that configuration. The Windows Key Shortcut Guide will display all of the available keyboard shortcuts for the current Windows 10 desktop. Figure C. This PowerToy is activated by holding the Windows key down for the length of time specified in the tool's configuration settings. The default is 900 milliseconds. Now users won't have to remember all those Windows key-related shortcut combinations. The PowerName Windows 10 PowerToy provides users with advanced tools for bulk renaming of file names. The toy extends the Windows Shell context menu to add an entry for PowerName to File Explorer, Figure D. With PowerName enabled, simple search and replace or more powerful regular expression matching to the bulk renaming process are added to your toolset. A preview area is displayed as you perform search and replace procedures so users can see how file names will change before initiating the action. This Windows 10 PowerToy expands on the preview pane feature already available in the standard File Explorer application by adding additional file types. Preview pane allows users to preview the contents of a file after clicking it in File Explorer without actually opening the file. As shown in Figure E. Version 0.16.0 adds preview support for scalable vector graphics .svg and Markdown MD files. Additional file types are in development. The Image Resizer Windows 10 PowerToy adds additional functionality to File Explorer by allowing users to apply bulk image resizing. Users select images in File Explorer and then select the new Resize Pictures item on the context menu, Figure F. Revealed with a right-click on any image. The Windows Walker Windows 10 PowerToy is designed to be an alternative to the standard Alt-Tab feature of Windows 10. Users press the Control Windows key combination instead of Alt-Tab to pull up a search box, Figure G. The user enters keywords into the search box to narrow down the currently open apps and screens on their desktop. PowerToys Run acts as a quick launcher in Windows 10. It is another extension of the Alt-Tab concept and taps into the Windows 10 file indexing system. To activate the tool, use the keyboard combination Alt-Space and start typing the name of your desired application. As shown in Figure H, PowerToys Run will search the system and start listing possible applications based on your search phrase. When the application you desire appears, click or tap to run. The Keyboard Manager application in Windows 10 PowerToys is a simple keyboard remapper. Run the application from the PowerToys menu, Figure I, and either remap a single key on your keyboard or remap a shortcut keyboard combination. Whatever you remap will remain active as long as Keyboard Manager is enabled and PowerToys is running in the background. Color Picker was contributed to the Windows 10 PowerToys project by Martin Cherson. The utility allows you to identify any color on your screen by either its hex or RGB code and then save that information to the Windows 10 clipboard for later use, Figure J. It is a simple tool, but it can save time and prevent frustration for developers and content creators working on color design. Windows 10 PowerToys provide tools and features that can make users of the Windows operating system more productive and, by extension, happier. Over the years, many users have come to depend on one or more of these PowerToys for the daily computer productivity. For many power users, PowerToys improve the quality of life. Beyond making users more productive, PowerToys have also provided a glimpse of what features and tools could become an integral part of the Windows operating system in the future. Many of these once separate tools have become just another part of the operating system during its next iteration. Be your company's Microsoft insider by reading these Windows and Office tips, tricks, and cheat sheets. Text source: techrepublic.com.